In front of me I've got Huawei Mate 20 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app and tap blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty, gift card and transit. If you are able to find your transit card, select it. You will be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Now let's select loyalty card and select card you want to add, for example payback. You can scan your card or enter details manually. Then tap save. And last card you can add is gift card. So let's enter it, select card you want to add, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. All of your cards will be available right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.